You're watching How Leap. Let's go through what you should do first after updating to iOS 18.4. First, open the Settings app and tap General, then Software Update to ensure the installation is complete. Next, go to Battery and Settings to review your new battery health metrics and enable optimized charging if needed. Then, visit Privacy and Security to review any new permissions or features, like enhanced tap tracking controls. Check your display and brightness settings for any new always-on display options or wallpaper features introduced in the update. It's also crucial to open key apps like Mail, Messages, and Safari to ensure they are working correctly. With the new OS, restart your iPhone once to clear any temporary update files and ensure smooth performance. Finally, explore the new emojis or any specific features highlighted in Apple's update notes, such as new Siri capabilities or security enhancements. This initial check ensures your device is optimized, secure, and ready to use. All the new improvements in iOS 18.4. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.